I would like for both of you to share with us, what do you think this course is important for people? What's the value of this connection to nature for humans?
There's so much value. I would begin by saying I think it will bring each individual person an enriched quality of life.
Well, the one big word that jumps out to me is remembering. And that, we know that Elliott Cowan wasn't the first person to be able to connect to the plants in this way, but he remembered. And so the course of helping people to remember, and then we use a series of experiences and journaling and questions and process to be able to help deepen that relationship, journeying and other things to be able to help each individual to be able to deepen their connection overall. That's what we're asking for.